What's up, guys and gals? Just want to go ahead and talk about the bull flag pattern, how to trade that. So again, we have a long setup here, and this is going to be primarily used for low float stocks, really at or near the market open, and stocks ranging around $1 to $10, give or take. So um, this is a pattern where you want to get in on the first or second pullback on the particular flag that we're looking at. You want to take your profit, either half profits or full profits, and then you want to get out of the way. So we're talking about a quick trade here, within the first hour of market open. And we'll go ahead and take a look at some opportunities now. So this is from last Friday, um, February 12th, 2021. We had CCNC, which was a low float opportunity, again, right in that 1 to 10 price range, low float stock. Um, Market opens, we see kind of some consolidation, but then we see this immediate flagpole, and that's really the key distinction. Is you get this flagpole that's shoots up in price. Now you don't want to get in here. You don't want to chase this stock. Um, what happens is we get this sell off, right, and we see this kind of flag forming right here. So we have the flagpole and the flag, and this is technically the first pullback. You want to get in on this increase in price with volume. And what this is this is consolidation where buyers are taking their profits, but we still have a lot of buying interest as indicated by this volume here, which shoots it up beyond pre-market highs and even high a day. And this right here, first pullback, increase in gains, presents some incredible opportunities. So you really want to get in somewhere around here on the break of that consolidation, and look at the volume for confirmation. And anywhere between 620 and 650 would have been a great execution. Again, above VWAP, we have a 9 and 20 EMA pointing upwards, so all indication that this is buyers are in control, and that the stock would increase in price. And you could sell in the mid sevens, upper sevens, and even in the eights. So again, excellent opportunity. Now this did present a second pullback, a little bit riskier, but the second pullback here looks like a drop below the VWAP. But again, you could have got in here, again showing an increase in price with additional opportunities. And this even presented a third pullback, which again, I wouldn't recommend trading anything beyond a second pullback. All right, let's take a look at another opportunity here, FTFT, Future FinTech, again, last Friday. So here we see this beautiful flag pole, right, exerting itself right at market open. And then we get this pullback right here. Looks like it appears to touch the VWAP. And then our confirmation is increasing volume. And so any entry between 785 and even 8 would have provided you a great opportunity to sell a few minutes later into 843. There was no second pullback here, but again, enforcing the idea of you want to get in, take your profits, and get out. As you can see, a lot of them tend to fade away after that first or even second pullback. All right, one more opportunity here we can take a look at again from last Friday. And here we see VOOZ. So this isn't as clean, but definitely a bull flag pattern. So we see this immediate consolidation right at open, and then we see this flagpole, and then a flag forming right with this minor pullback. Looks like it ended up almost touching the 20 EMA, exponential moving average, and then again our confirmation with increasing volume brought that price action all the way up to 1444. And here you see a second minor pullback, an even third pullback, and a fourth pullback. So it doesn't always work out this way, but this was a great opportunity where you had multiple opportunities to take advantage. And of course, on this this third pullback, you can see the volume confirmation, giving you full faith and confidence to even enter here. But as you can see, it kind of got overextended, and then the price eventually came back down to VWAP. So bull flag patterns, learn about them, read them, watch these videos, practice them, and good luck trading out there.